The biggest cost driver in the forging shop is the forging yield. It's the same in the steel plant. If you can forge very accurately with not too much allowance and not too much tolerances, you need less material. And that's very, very, very important. It's a major cost factor in the forging shop. And I have told you, top discard is 15 to 13%, bottom discard 5%. But there is a difference if you have a generator shaft with a body of 4 meters and a diameter of 1200 millimeters, if you have an allowance of 50 millimeters or of 30 millimeters. If you calculate, that are some tons. And the price for 1 ton is approximately 1,500 euros. So if you save 2 or 3 tons by higher accuracy, it's not too bad.